So good morning class. Today we will do electronic configuration of the elements. I hope that all of you remember atomic number. अगर atomic number नहीं याद है, you will learn it. Okay, today itself. This is your homework. Note down your homework. Today homework I am giving you in the beginning only to learn what HW is what. To learn atomic number and atomic mass. ठीक है, तो क्या याद करना है? एटॉमिक नंबर एंड एटॉमिक मास अप टू calcium. Okay, so whatever question is going to come in your class, that will come only up to calcium. ठीक है, even in class 10th, whatever question will be there will be only up to calcium. Beyond that there will be no any question. तो आप लोग लाइन से सारे एलिमेंट का नाम कंटिन्यूअसली याद रखेंगे. क्या है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट? क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरोन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन and neon. Okay, these are the first 10 elements. Now we will distribute the electrons of these elements in the different shell. So all of you do with me. All of you have noted down. आप लोग यहाँ पे बना लीजिए कॉपी में K L M N. उसके बाद आप लिखेंगे वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. हाँ, only this much you write down. All of you have noted. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First 10 element का मैंने पहले लिया है. So what is the capacity of K? K L M N. This is valence electron. Okay, make the column like this. So K contain maximum of 2, 8, 18 and 32. This is the maximum capacity. Okay. This is very important question and it is always going to help you. Electronic configuration, through electronic configuration, what else can you know? Okay, this I have made the table. Now hydrogen atomic number is 1. So what will be the number of electron in the first shell? And maximum it can hold 1. Maximum it can hold 1. And K has the having the capacity of holding maximum. ये जो H के में जाएगा मैक्सिमम कितना जाएगा? 1 ही ना जाएगा, क्योंकि इसका है कितना? 1 है. K का मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी क्या है? 2. The maximum capacity of K is what? 2. But hydrogen is having atomic number 1, so it can hold a maximum of only what? 1 now. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पे 1 लिख दिए ना. हीलियम,
Yes, ma'am.
हीलियम में क्या होगा?
Ma'am, 2.
मैक्सिमम
2.
क्या है? 2. Lithium is having atomic number 3. So K will hold how many?
2 in K shell
Maximum
and 1 in
two. So
L
2, and whatever will be left, that will be in the next higher shell. पढ़े थे ना?
Yes,
पढ़े
ma'am.
थे ना कि जब तक अंदर वाला
Yes,
shell,
ma'am.
inner shell will not be completely filled, outer shell cannot be filled. ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पे हम 1 लिख दें और यहाँ पर हम 2 लिख दें. ऐसा हो सकता है? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Cannot be. This cannot be. First of all, the inner shell will be filled completely. First of all, we have to fill the inner shell completely. After filling the inner shell, we'll move on to the next higher shell. So that's why it will have a maximum of 2, and whatever is left will be sent into the next higher shell. Now, beryllium.
2 in K cell and 2 in L cell.
2 in K and 2 in L. Boron.
2, 3.
2 and 3. Carbon, who will say? Ayush Singh? Ayush Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
2 and 4.
2
For
and 4.
carbon.
Ma'am, 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Very good. Now next, कौन बोलेगा? ईशान कुमार. ईशान.
2 or 5.
2 and 5. For oxygen, Priyansh Kumar. Priyanshu Kumar.
2 or 7.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होगा? 2 and? For oxygen?
2 and 6.
6.
2 or 8.
Fluorine. Fluorine, who will say?
2
Muskan
and
Singh?
7.
Muskan. Muskan. This shows that how much you are alert in the class. Muskan. Ravi Shankar. Ravi Shankar. Muskan and Ravi Shankar not responding. Divyam. Divyam Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
For fluorine, what it means for fluorine?
Ma'am, valency 1.
Distribution of electron, not valency. I'm asking about the distribution.
2 at
Ma'am,
7.
287.
2,
At
Ma'am,
7.
287.
287. Fluorine का होगा 287, 17.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is the atomic number?
2 and 7.
What atomic number I have written on the blackboard? What it is?
9.
9. So how you are saying 17? Divyam? What does electronic configuration means? Electronic configuration means what? Distribution of the electrons in the various shell.
Yes, ma'am.
Distribution of the electron in the various cell. An atomic number is equal to what? E is equal to P in case of atom. आपको पता है ना? Z is equal to E is equal to P. और Z क्या है? What is Z? Have I discussed this thing with you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Already discuss हो चुका है. तब फिर कहाँ से confusion
ma'am.
हो रहा है? Z क्या है? Z is atomic number.
Atomic number.
And Z is equal to what? E, and Z is also equal to P if it is atom. If it is atom. अगर हम किसी atom की बात कर रहे हैं, then electron and proton are always equal because we know, what do we know? We know that atom is what? Atom is electrically neutral. So if atom is electrically neutral, so it will contain equal number of electron and proton. So what is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration refers to what? It refers to the distribution of electron in the different energy shells. And what we are doing? We are writing down the electronic configuration. Atomic number of fluorine is what? 9. And 9 means 9 electron and 9 proton. तो इस 9 को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है हमको डिफरेंट शेल्स पे. तो पहले शेल में मैक्सिमम कितना जाएगा दिव्यम? दिव्यम? You should respond. Divyam. If I ask anything from anyone, I want the response. Ishan? ईशान,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बताओ क्या होगा इसका, 9 का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या होगा?
2 and 7, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 or 7.
7, and for neon it will be
Neon,
Two
2,
and 8.
2 or 8. 2 or 8.
and 8. Now, this, the electron which is present in the last shell, the electron present, now this is the last shell for hydrogen, this is the last shell for what? Helium, this is the last shell for lithium, beryllium, boron. For lithium, beryllium, boron, which is the last shell? L shell is the last shell. And what is that shell called? That shell is called the outermost shell, or you can say what, valence shell. जो आखिरी वाला शेल जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होता है उसका आप नाम क्या रखेंगे? उसको आप बोलेंगे आउटर मोस्ट शेल. व्हाट यू विल से आउटर मोस्ट शेल or valence shell, and whatever is the number of electron present in the valence shell or the outermost shell, that is called what? That is called valence electron. Electrons present in the valence shell or outermost shell is called what? Valence electron. So what will be the valence electron for hydrogen?
1.
1.
1,
1,
Helium?
2.
2,
0,
For lithium?
1.
1.
1,
For beryllium?
2.
2,
2,
For boron?
3.
3,
3.
Carbon?
4,
4,
For nitrogen?
3, 2, 6,
Nitrogen?
4.
What will be the valence electron? What I have just told you.
Ma'am, 5. 5.
Ma'am, 5,
Electron
5,
present in
5.
the valence shell. So it is 5.
5.
Oxygen,
6.
6,
chlorine,
7.
7,
and neon.
8.
8.
Now, what will you tell now? What will you tell? Now here the question arises that which one is stable and which one is unstable. Which one is stable and which one is unstable? What do you talk about the stability? What do you know about the stability? Whenever we talk about the atom, that atom is unstable or it is stable, then what does we mean by that? What you will come to the conclusion from this electronic configuration? Can you tell that hydrogen is stable or not?
No, ma'am.
1 minute. So now class, see here. So it is 8. Now what I was talking about, I was talking about the stability, whether it is stable or it is unstable. Okay, so what does stability means for atom? What does stability means for atom? Anyone? Can anyone reply me? What does stability means? No one knows. No one knows. I think we have done at a stretch. Romita, are you there? Naman, I can expect the answer from you. Naman? Naman? Oh, this is really very bad. When I'm asking anybody, you're not responding, I just feel very bad. चलो ठीक है, अगर आपको नहीं पता है या आप दोबारा सुनना चाहते हैं तो फिर से सुन लीजिए. When atom is said to be atom is stable if it contain 8 electrons. Okay, when atom is said to be stable, When atom is said to be stable, when it contains what?
When it contains 8 electrons.
In the
Valence shell.
outermost
Most
shell.
cell.
Note it down. Note करके लिख लो.
Yes.
So atom is stable. Atom is stable if it contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, this point is now clear to you. Yes, this is clear.
Yes.
Atom is stable.
Yes, ma'am.
Atom is stable when if it contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell. If it contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell, it is said to be what? It is said to be stable. So, can you tell me which one is stable here?
Ma'am, neon.
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 Neon is stable. Neon is stable. It is containing 8 electrons. But for hydrogen and helium, stability is in 2 electrons. ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन और हीलियम के लिए स्टेबिलिटी कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स में होगा?
2 electrons.
That is called what? This
2
is
elect-
called duplet. What it is called? This is called duplet, and this one is called what? This one is called octet. ठीक है, जब 8 electrons होगा, then it is said octet is complete, so it is stable. For hydrogen and helium, 2 electrons if is present, then it is stable. So hydrogen becomes stable in 2 electrons. Helium is already stable. So all these, among all these, which name the element which is stable?
Ma'am, helium and neon.
Helium and neon. We can say that
Neon.
helium is stable and neon is stable because helium is having 2 electrons and neon is having 8 electrons. So helium and neon are what? Helium and neon
Stable.
are stable. Okay, class? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है किसी को? Helium is stable and neon is stable. Why two are stable? Because for helium stability is in duplet and for rest of the other element stability is in octet. Stability is in octet. So lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, all these are what? Unstable. All these are what?
Unstable.
Unstable. And since they are unstable, they are reactive. Since they are what? Unstable, so they are reactive. The one who is already stable, they don't need to become stable, so they are not going to react. ठीक है ना? स्टेबिलिटी का मतलब क्या है? मान लो कि आपको इंजीनियर बनना है, ठीक है? Okay, I'm giving you example. If you are wanting to become an engineer, if you achieve your goal, then what are you going? You are going to become stable. Yes, now I have done whatever I needed. I have done. I don't need to do anything else. Now you become what? Stable. Okay, class. Okay,
Yes,
or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are what? We are in a stage. I can say that I am unstable. I am unstable. Why I will say I am unstable? Because still I have to learn something. I have to achieve something. We are learning now. We were not used to anything of such type of electronic gadgets of using laptop and mobile. But we have to learn. अगर हम कुछ सीख रहे हैं तो हम क्या है? एक्टिव है ना? अगर हम कुछ सीखना ही
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
चाहेंगे तो हम क्या हो जाएंगे? इनएक्टिव हो जाएंगे. इनएक्टिव, विल डू नथिंग. और यहाँ पे जो हीलियम और नियॉन को क्यों कहा जाता है? इनर्ट कहा जाता है, क्योंकि वो क्या है? वो रिएक्टिव ही नहीं है. क्यों नहीं रिएक्टिव है? क्योंकि वो स्टेबल है. Whatever is required is there in them, so they have become stable. So we should not become stable in life. Mind it. We should never become stable. We should always try to learn. And for trying to learn anything, for achieving higher and higher goal, you should always be what? Think that I am not stable. You should think. Though you are stable, but you should think that no, you are not stable. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पर जो हीलियम और नियॉन जो है ये दोनों किस कंडीशन में है? स्टेबल कंडीशन में है. They don't want to do anything. They don't want to react. They are inert. But for rest of the element, hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, सभी क्या है? सभी के सभी क्या है?
Unstable.
Unstable है.
Unstable.
Unstable.
Unstable. All of them are. This is unstable. This is stable. Unstable. 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 ये क्या हो गया? ये हो गया स्टेबल. ठीक है. अब देखो इस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन से एक चीज और हम लोग क्या जान सकते हैं? वेदर इट इज अ मेटल और ए नॉन मेटल. Whether the given element is a metal or a non-metal, that also we can learn from where? We can learn from the electronic configuration. How? From the valence electron. So it is known or it is a rule. If valence electron is equal to 1, 2 or 3, then element is metal. Are you noting the things or not? Are you noting the
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If valence electron is equal to 4 to 7, then element is non-metal. If valence electron is equal to 8, then element is noble gases. Then the element is what? Then the element is noble gases. All of you have noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Note it quickly, note it down. If you will note, then raise your hand. Quickly note down. So hydrogen valence electron is one, but you won't consider it as a metal. This is a non-metal. Okay, this is a non-metal. It shows the properties of non-metal better. Okay, although it is having one electron, but this is an exception that it is what? It is a non-metal. So remember this. This is what? Non-metal. अब बताओ helium क्या है? What is helium?
Non-metal.
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 आपने लगता है अभी बोर्ड को ध्यान से आपने पढ़ा नहीं था या उतारा नहीं था?
Noble gas.
मैम नोबल गैस होगा
Ma'am,
हीलियम.
noble
तो
gas.
मैंने बताया हीलियम क्या है? इनर्ट है, स्टेबल है. जो भी स्टेबल है दैट इज व्हाट? इनर्ट गैसेस. तो ये क्या है? ये है इनर्ट गैस है. लिथियम
Non-metal.
lithium is non-metal.
Metal में metal.
मैम मेटल
Metal.
Metal है. This is metal. Beryllium
मेटलॉइड.
Metal. Metalloids.
इसको हम मेटल के ही कैटेगरी में लिखेंगे. अभी मेटलॉइड्स नहीं लिखेंगे. मेटलॉइड्स कौन कौन है बताओ जरा. एनीबॉडी प्लीज टेल मी. मेटलॉइड्स
Ma'am, boron, silicon,
और
Beryllium.
Beryllium.
Ma'am, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic.
Anybody else? Now listen. So कार्बन क्या हो जाएगा? कार्बन हो जाएगा नॉन मेटल, इसको भी हम नॉन मेटल ही लिखेंगे. ये क्या होगा? नॉन मेटल 5 है तो it is 5 then
Non-metal.
it is non-metal. 6 then
Non-metal.
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 7 then
Non-metal.
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 and 8 then.
Inert
Non-
gas.
gas.
Inert gases.
Noble gas.
अगर ये 8 है तो ये क्या हो गया? इनर्ट गैस हो गया.
Inert gases.
So now we have come to know that from the valence electron we can say which element is a metal or which element is a non-metal. I hope the thing is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear
Yes.
to one and all? No confusion? कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है? वैलेंसी हम लोग कल डिस्कस करेंगे. आगे का एलिमेंट का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन देखेंगे और वैलेंसी डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी पहले हम लोग बोर्स मॉडल. ओके, लेट मी ड्रॉ वन बोर्स मॉडल. How to draw Bohr's model? If suppose I have to make Bohr's model for carbon. Let me erase the board. If you have to draw Bohr's model for carbon. So first of all, what are you going to do? आप सबसे पहले कार्बन, ठीक है, कार्बन का क्या होता है? एटॉमिक नंबर होता है 6. You will write on the distribution of electron. What is the distribution? 2 and 4. Okay.
And
Four.
4.
Not always necessary to write this thing. Okay, no need. चाहे तो लिखिए, नहीं तो नहीं लिखिए. And then, what is the number of shell in carbon?
2.
2
Two.
shells. So, along with 2 shells, you have to draw the nucleus. तो start आप कैसे करेंगे? First of all, you will draw the nucleus. In the nucleus, you will write down either the symbol of the element or you write down the number of protons. So, what is the number of protons?